And we have tonight the big burning issue, which is the extradition of Tahawwur Hussain Rana, the main link man for the ISI, Pakistan origin guy running the Lashkar operations, kingpin of 2611. Now, these are two parties, ruling parties on both sides. PMLN, Uzma Kardar, PMLN Irshad Ahmed, Bharatiya Janata Party, Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav, you've heard the denials on the other side. Now, when we get Tahawwur Hussain Rana, would you like to tell Uzma ji and Irshad ji what we will do with this crook?
पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा, देखिए अर्नब जी, पहले तो ये जो
So Arnav, first of all, I think
एक मिनट एक के बाद एक
fight, because on one side
उस्मा जी पहले गौरव जी बोल लें।
मैं
उस्मा जी आप म्यूटेड हैं, आप वैसे भी म्यूटेड हैं, आप म्यूटेड हैं
मैं म्यूट नहीं हूँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ।
उस्मा जी
आवाज ऐसे भी कोई नहीं सुन रहा है।
उस्मा जी आप म्यूटेड हैं मैं कुछ नहीं सुन पा रहा। To our guest from Lahore, Uzma Kardar, you have muted yourself. जैसे ISI ने आपको म्यूट कर दिया है, आपने मशीन ने आपको म्यूट कर दिया है।
चले मैं बोलता हूँ थोड़ा सा।
वैसे भी फोन लाइंस पाकिस्तान में काम नहीं करती, आपका फोन फिर से लगाना पड़ेगा।
तमाम चीजें काम कर रही हैं और
जी गौरव जी आप तब तक आप बोलिए। गौरव जी, गौरव भाटिया गौरव भाटिया को बोलिए, इरशाद जी उसके बाद।
Dismal kind of lifestyle that Pakistanis are leading is evident that they do not even have a proper internet connection. But today's debate is a very important one for our country, India. First and foremost, there is no competition between a global leader like Bharat, India, and a rogue terrorist nation like Pakistan. But what it shows clearly is a few things. One, Narendra Modi ji's strong-willed leadership.
You check your audio, yeah.
There is zero tolerance for terrorism.
Go do the audio check first.
Two,
don't do this.
It clearly shows the stature of our country on the global stage.
Check the audio
and when countries like USA, UK and France, they decide to stand with India, it only reflects the resilience and the presence that we have, and they expose Pakistan, which is a terrorist nation. One more important point, the message is this: Narendra Modi ji ki sarkar hai, कब्र में भी घुसे होंगे आतंकवादी तो कब्र से निकाल लाएंगे. And the one point that I want to show, Arnav, which is very vital, the Pakistani panelist was saying हमें क्या लेना देना तहव्वुर राना से. So I want to tell him, on 14th of August 2023, note the date, 14th August 2023, the Pakistani embassy in the USA wrote to its consulate that follow Tahawwur Rana's presence and what is happening in the extradition request made by India. Why was it done? Because they knew once Tahawwur Rana lands in India, their sinister design, their terrorist face would be exposed to the world, and little charity or little donations that they get from countries like China or other countries will also stop to this beggar country. Now, this is the answer. The link is very evident that Tahawwur Rana was acting at the behest of ISI and the Pakistani army, and now it is clear that their ugly face would be exposed, and just like Kasab, this man will also be given capital punishment or strict punishment by the judiciary of the country, so that there is justice, to the family members of people who lost their lives due to this dastardly terror attack on India.